Assalamu alaikum. I have been given the honor of introducing Nikon's Talent Hunt. The reason we launched this project was because in our society there is a lack of appreciation towards extracurricular activities of the youth. There are no platforms that are given to showcase their abilities, and they also don't have any guidance to further pursue their passion and their respective career fields. Our vision is also to give a positive image of Pakistan on a universal level. Our mission statement is simple. Nikon Talent Hunt is a non-profit and non-political association of experts working to instill Islamic ethical values and to make a positive image of Pakistan universally by introducing our youth's ideas. The three main purposes are, the first one is motivation. We want to boost their confidence and provide a platform for them to display their talents. We also want to counsel them in their respective professions. The things we have achieved so far since 2016 are the following. Nikon Talent Hunt has trained more than 1,500 students on their public speaking skills, and more than 1,200 students got a chance to perform on stage. We've had different competitions on a regional level between the Twin Cities, and we're hoping that the next event we have is on a national level, inshallah. Thank you very much.